welcome to the unboxing of the Desolation of Smaug, the Hobbit, the Desolation of Smaug Extended Edition. Now, got this, I just picked it up, and, well, from Mailbox, came from Amazon. Bilbo's already watched it, but I wanted to quickly show you. First of all, I made a little cut in here, but I wanted to show you what it had. Extended Edition, Blu-ray plus Digital HD. Comes with a cool border. Has a little sticker from the director of the Lord of the Rings trilogy. 25 minutes of new extended scenes over 9 hours of extensive bonus features. And this 4000049294. But that doesn't really matter. Then we got that border, like an Erebor with the Arkenstone, and then of course this ultraviolet advertisement. Or I don't know, advertisement because it's included, maybe like a this is what's included type of thing, but I don't know. Let's open this up. And here is what is inside. Got extended edition cool letters. Got the border right here. We have another back border, but let me just show you what the back of it is like. This is what the back of the sealed thing looks like. And then you get this, then this pops out. There we go. And this is almost identical to the back of the other one. And then you open it up. And here we go. An advertisement for Shadow of Mordor. But, let me just show you quickly that in case I edited any of that out. There's, well, at the very least, it has artwork on the, it doesn't have a part 1 or part 2 in this one, but it at least has artwork on the disc. And then here is Appendices Part 9, Into the Wilderland, and the Appendices Part 10, The Journey to Erebor, with a cool picture of Smaug. So, that is about it. Everything that comes with The Hobbit, the Desolation of Smaug. Apart from a code to the Ultraviolet, which you're going to have to buy for yourself if you want. I personally don't think it's worth it, but hey, it's something, isn't it? There you go. Put that back in here. And here we have it. Oh, gosh. It's hard to do this one-handed. Okay. The Hobbit, the Desolation of Smaug Extended Edition. Thanks very much for watching, and I will see you next time.